Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Honda CR-V door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by gently prying up the window switch panel, then carefully disconnect all electrical connectors. Next, look for any screws that are visible around the door handle and armrest, and remove them to prepare for the next steps. Once the initial screws are out, use your trim removal tool to carefully pry around the edges of the door panel. You'll hear the retaining clips pop free as you work your way around. After all clips are released, gently lift the entire panel upwards to unhook it from the top edge of the door. Finally, reach behind the panel to disconnect the door handle cables and any other electrical connections. With the panel fully detached, it's a good idea to keep all your screws and clips organized in a small container so nothing gets lost. Take a moment to inspect the door itself for any broken clips or other components that might need attention. If you notice any damaged clips, it's wise to replace them now to ensure a snug and secure fit when you reinstall the panel later. This prevents rattles. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. First, reconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cables. Then, align the top edge of the panel with the window channel and gently push it down into place. Work your way around the edges, firmly pressing the panel to re-engage all the retaining clips. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Finally, replace all screws and the window switch panel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.